I think parents tend to vastly underestimate what their children understand and how they feel about their situation. I had a client recently, and I had to work with her to get to this point to where she would express this to me, but this child was 3 years old, and one of her parents brought her in to meet with me, and she was very quiet, and she just kind of played with the dolls I had out and didn't say anything. And I had her parent come in so she could be comfortable. Then I had the parent leave, and she had so much to say. She fully understood the intricacies of the things her parents were fighting about, specifically the living situation post-separation. She understood that one parent was not being kind to the other parent and that it was having an emotional effect on the other parent. She knew what kind of steps each parent would have to take to better their situation. And she had very strong feelings about the way her parents spoke to each other and the way they were handling their separation. And this child was 3. And it's so common for parents to expect that I'm only going to meet with a kid for 5 or 10 minutes. Because they really underestimate how much their children can understand. Especially the young ones. They understand so much more than you think. I'm learning that every day. Young children understand a lot more than we think they do. And I find myself often saying in court, especially in cases where I can tell that these issues are being discussed at home in front of the children, I'll say, your children can hear you, and your children understand what you're talking about, and it is having an emotional effect on them. And I really wish parents gave their kids a little more credit